Akhil is, yeah, he's a sweetheart. I thought I wanted something, but God knew what I wanted, so He gave me what I needed and not what I wanted. So I think He's that.
She understands me very well. Like, she knows what I think, she knows what I want. No one has studied me so well. No one has gotten into me so well. This girl has gotten into me so well that she knows when I want what. People change me as a person. Meghna tried to change me also, but then it was in a good way, where I realized that it was needed for me to become sober, to know myself better, to know what my fears are, what's my anxiety, because I never addressed all that in my life.
I made him a smart, emotionally intelligent man rather. I wouldn't say he was lost in life or something, but he was very go with the flow kind of an attitude he had. He's always been a responsible guy, but like in certain terms, I think in his head he lacked some clarity or some understanding. So, yeah, I am Bob the Builder.
सारा सारा मैं हूँ सारा तेरा आसमां तू मैं सितारा तेरा.
So I texted Meghna on Instagram. It was a DM.
We've always known each other like through family.
So when I happened to text her on Instagram, she replied. I didn't think she would reply.
And he just sent me a very normal message. It was not like a flirty text also. He just sent me a text saying, "Hey, I hope you remember me." I responded to him saying, "Yeah, I absolutely remember you." And that's how we started texting each other. And initially it was very organic.
Both of us never thought it would come this far.
He says that I understand him like really well. We needed each other in our lives at that point.
सारा सारा मैं हूँ सारा तेरा आसमां तू मैं सितारा तेरा सारा सारा मैं हूँ सारा तेरा सारा सारा मैं हूँ सारा तेरा आसमां तू मैं सितारा तेरा सारा सारा मैं हूँ सारा तेरा.
I feel like God just put us together there and said that, there are certain things that both of you need to work on. We just met and we realized that, okay, you do this for me and I'll do this for you. So that's how that change also happened. We've gone through really tough times as well. And ever since it's been getting just stronger and stronger. So right now, more than a partner, I just get this best friend sort of a feeling from him.
She's getting married to a lovely guy. She's not going anywhere. She's going to be with us only. Doesn't matter if she gets married. She's still my sister. She's still our child. Our home is always her home.
He's just like another version of my dad, like in my life. He's always been like this. He's extremely protective, extremely watchful when I'm there.
I don't think you should miss anything about her because I don't think nothing's going to change. Everything will still remain the same, at least for me.
She just loves being around me. So I think I have to find a way where I can be around her. I have 2 houses here now, so I can chill with her and I can chill with my in-laws too. But yeah, mostly my mom. I'm very, very, very extremely grateful for parents like my mom and dad, because it's very, very rare to find selfless like people as them, as my parents. I'm telling you, God has put the right people in my life, touch wood. He's given me a crazy family, like who'll literally move mountains for me. So he's one of those people that if I have an issue or if I want something, he's definitely going to be there. He's going to stand by me like a rock.
సగమై చెరి సగమై ఇక నువ్వు నేను ఒక జగమై నీ జతగా అడుగేస్తున్నాను.
ఇరు పెదవుల శబ్దం విరిముద్దుల యుద్ధం
వెలి తిప్పిన మీసు నా నడుమంచున మడతెంచితే
ప్రాణం ఉన్నన్నాళ్ళు జతపడి నీకే కౌగిలి పంచాలని
కాలం ఉన్నన్నాడు కరగని కథగా నీతో బ్రతకాలని.
సగమై అడుగేస్తున్నాను.